One thing to do when you're burned out, disappear for a while. Grab your backpack, hit the shores, southern shores of Turkey. It's about as far away as you can get. Still say stay in the safe zone. The pirates come get you, but I think we'll be okay. Got a feeling those are just tourists, but this should help burnout. This is this might do it. I could do another month of this or so. Yeah, this will help. One cool thing about this area is that there are sea turtles and need to not interfere with them. If you do, it's illegal. I don't know if you get fined or just arrested, but don't touch them if you're here. And if there's babies coming out, it would be so cool to see them. But I don't see any nesting sticks. Usually you see 3 sticks with a warning tape around it. Now, we've seen them before. They're not on this beach though. I think they're usually down a little bit further towards Sea Day. An incredible empty beach. Tourists, no locals, just some tourists on the boat coming up the river. East of Manavgat, the Grand Linda. Oh, it's a pirate ship. Imagine 2,000 years ago, Romans might have come up this very river, rowing, maybe under sail power. Wind's usually coming off the med behind my back. These guys got power. It didn't look so far on the map, but walking on the sand, a little bit harder and slower. Go for a walk on the road. Although I don't think this is a road. It's just a path made of sand. Maybe hard packed sand. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Look at this. Nobody's here. Not quite tourist season yet. Enough to litter though. How you would spend a Turkish vacation if you come east of Manavgat. Near the ancient city of Sea Day. And depending on what time of the year, I'll be here walking around, shooting video on my cell phone, walking and walking. That's what I do here. If walking alone in a foreign land makes you nervous, you probably shouldn't do it. But you want to step outside your box, step outside your norm, you should do it. Arr. Why? Because there's pirates nearby. Let's go say hi to the pirate. Arr. He's a big one. Incredible wildlife. Actually, out of the corner of my eye, I thought I saw something sitting down here by the bank. And oh God, which one? You know, I never asked if they have crocodiles here or alligators. That's a tire. Oh my gosh, you know, Egypt and the Salties are just a couple 100 miles behind me. Never really thought about that, but what if one drifted this way? Ooh, scary thought, huh? I didn't see anything up on the beach yet. I haven't been on the riverside. So, when you come to Sea Day, old city of Sea Day in southern Turkey, Manavgat, there's always something to do. Whether you like sand, surf, mountains, water. If you want, there's even skiing way to the west of me by Antalya, up in the mountains. Farther ahead in the mountains, there's snow. Not at this time of year. It's already melted. Although, I do see some way out there. I doubt it'll pick up in the video. But renting a boat, if you come with your whole family, it can be really fun for the day. There's plenty of boats over in the harbor of Side. You go towards Alanya, Antalya, there's always boats to rent that somebody else will pilot for you so you can just relax. Oh, I found the jet skis, where they come from, and you see them all the way down the beach, down by Side. Now about an hour behind me. There's nobody here to rent though. You can buy a jet car, rent a jet car. How fun. Another pirate ship. Getting closer to the mouth of the river. Sure looked closer on the map. I never measured it, just kind of eyeballed it. Started walking. There's a path. Nice carpeted beach. People don't get sand in their shoes. This is easy walking. Oh, easiest path I've ever walked down. Firm, but soft. Your taxi can come all the way down here. ATV, tour van, drop you off. It's not exactly the red carpet, but beige will do. Another pirate ship. They can stop here. I saw there's some stuff for sale down here, the jet skis. Great place to bring tourists. It looks like the Barbados. And then I realized the beach changed. It's flat now. Nice hard surface. It's not the edge cut like there was on the way back. I'll have to deal with that in a little bit. Almost to the mouth of the river. You see what's here before I turn around. I'm committed. I'm not going back. It's on back. That's a pack ship. We've seen this in a lot of videos. You can see they go way down. Probably 4-hour tour. Don't think it's a 3-hour tour. Probably all day. They're coming back in. Give you an idea of what a loan's like. This is it. It's so nice. Got the beach to myself. No cats, no dogs, no people. Planes, trains, boats, nothing. Just beautiful, calm, Mediterranean. I'm not sure if people were here. Somebody was here. And they left a present. Check that out. That's good. I was here. Coming to the end of this beach. This is the river. This is one serious pier. This is not coming down. We get some occasional bad storms here in the Mediterranean, but no hurricanes. A couple thunderstorms that come through pretty hard. Oops, sand just got soft again. These are not shells, these are rocks. If I poked around in here for about 2 hours, I'd come back with some pretty neat stuff. It feels pretty thick too, walking on it. A lot of modern memorabilia. Cans from people dumping them off their boats. You can drive down here, I think. I saw a van here before. There's people fishing. You can see. Wow. 3-meter drop. It's probably a pretty deep river. People fishing over here. You know, I could see Roman vessels coming through here 2,000 years ago. Pirates. I maybe 600 years ago, 700 years ago tops. There's a lot of pirates in the area, but they were way down that way. If you can see the flag, that huge flag, let's see if we can find it. That's Sea Day, Old Center of Sea Day. Look at this. We have a place to ourselves on this side. Pretty cool. If this is really good fishing, this place would be packed. You can see remnants of people, cigarette butt piles, sinkers, fish line, modern archaeological stuff. Fishes, nothing I can see. Good place, probably. Well, actually, I can see the bottom. It looks like it's maybe 3 to 4 feet deep. Hard to tell. It's usually pretty shallow through here. You can tell there's not much waves, so there's no breakers, there's no reef. Scuba diving here would not be fun. However, treasure hunting, scuba diving in this river, that could be fun. Not for your timid scuba diver, because who knows what's under here. Cool stuff. All right, let's start heading back. While I'm doing that, you can check out the video on your screen next, because that's one that'll show you some more cool stuff of what we do with paths to the past, present, and future. Take care. Have a great day.